What is gynophobia? Gynophobia and feminophobia. Gynophobia or feminophobia is known as the fear of women. Yes, the fear of woman. It could be from past experience, it could be from anxiety, it could be from cultural background or influences or what have you. That is called gynophobia. Yes. So what does gynophobia have to do with the laundry business? Today I want to address on it, washing women clothes. Once again, this is Span Sunday Academy. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and don't forget in the comment section that you are interested to be a member of the family. Will come back to you. So let's continue. So let me explain. Over a time, I have some persons writing me on my DM about they want to start the laundry business, but they cannot wash women clothes. They say I cannot. So people say to touch woman clothes, woman on this. I have ghost ball in my body. One I will say, even for me to wash my own sister clothes, I don't. So just keep it close to where woman is, and you want to start the laundry business. So how can you proceed starting the laundry business while you are afraid of women? So this topic is crucial today. Once I want you to understand that gynophobia is real. Yes, it's real. The fear of woman, the fear of the dark, the fear of falling. There are so many fear. There are so many fear all over the world. But the one that pertains to us is the fear of women. Why will you be afraid of woman or washing a woman cloth? So people are so afraid of women that they don't even stick close to women. They don't look women eyeball to eyeball. Talk less to wash a woman cloth. So how can you operate in the laundry business if you don't have boys or don't have people but you want to wash women clothes? Please understand that this is business. And in business, all category of people always scoop into that place. Mostly the same different sex of people, male and female. The cleaning business is not a business of one sex. It's called a unisex business. So if you are having gynophobia in you, I will advise you that you hire somebody who will be attending to women's clothes in your office. Or if you don't have the money to do that, it's best you put it in your signboard that you don't wash women's clothes. But it will be detriment to you. You will lose more customer. Yes, you will lose more customer. So what I tell people to do, if they have a phobia of not to wash women's clothes, is that imagine it. If you leave this country and go to abroad, you go to the UK or you go to Netherlands or other part of the country, and then you offer a job to cater for women, won't you do it? If the job is paid, if the money is high, won't you do it? Or you leave this country you are, West Africa or Nigeria you are, and then went to different country abroad, UK, United States, and the work you can see is mortuary attendants, attending to women, people who are dead, and the pay is much. Wouldn't do it. Or probably you are working in a place that women organization, but the pay is much, attending to old women, old folks. Would you do it? The answer is yes, you will do it. Because why? You are not longer in that locality. Some of us, we have gynophobia because of our cultural background. The way you are brought up, men don't touch men's clothes, no, men don't do this and that, men don't do this and that. But we are gone that age now. You get? So if you go to a different location, different background, you see that that thing you are saying, you forbid, you will do it freely without any cure, without any cause. So I advise you, please learn to understand that this is business. If you are having fear of woman or relationship with something, don't attach it to your business. It will kill it. Learn how to do away with that mindset and that thoughtfulness that you are afraid of this and that. On this video, learn to employ somebody if you cannot do it to help you to do it. But if you are starting as a beginner, you don't have anyone to assist you. Do your best possible to do it. When you start it from 1, 2, 3 times, it will become part of you. It will become used to you. Yes, it will become used to you. When you start it 1, it will become used to you. So try it, and then put a question. If you have already encountered something like that and you're able to overcome it, if you're able to overcome it, let us know. If you cannot let us still know in the comment section. See you next week and bye.